So one second, no connection. So today's date 11/9/2020. Good morning, sir. I am Janya, and by mistake I have entered with my brother's name. So kindly acknowledge. Okay. So Vaishnav, you got your answer. It was Janya with her brother's account. So she was there. Now, we had seen theorem 10.6 in the last class. Okay. It was equal chords are equidistant from center. I hope you all remember this theorem that we have done. Class, please confirm. In this, we proved that two chords which are of equal length, they are at equal distance from the center. Now, let us see the next one. It's converse. Class, try to write the converse of this one. Tell me the converse. Theorem 10.7. Tell me the converse of this theorem. Okay. So in this case, if someone says there are two chords which are at equal distance from center, you can say from your side that means those two chords are of equal length. This is the converse of above theorem, which says if chords are at equal distance from center, then they are equal. Again, this is in my language. In bookish language, it is chords equidistant from center of a circle are equal in length. So you can go for any definition, whichever you want. Now, let us try to prove this one. We have proved the last one. Let us try to prove this one. So suppose this is the circle. We have first chord AB and second chord CD. This is the center O. Given to us is the distance of chord from center. Class, we all know distance of a line from a point is perpendicular distance. So given to us is this perpendicular distance is equal to this perpendicular distance. Let me call it OE and this one as OF. So given to us is OE is equal to OF, and to prove, class, please tell me what we need to prove in this question. In this theorem, what we need to prove? Kindly type. Yes, we need to prove that the chords are equal, which means AB equal to CD. Now tell me, how will we prove this? Class, how will we prove this? We need to see that AB and CD are coming in triangle. Again, I am telling you the way we are proceeding. It is not important that we will get the answer in first step. Maybe we get some mistakes and we have to change the path, but this will be followed in every question. So first thing that we have learned is whatever we want to prove equal, we try to see that in a triangle. So class, tell me in which two triangles we have already proved it. Utkarsh, I think we have not done this converse. We have done that normal theorem, I think 10.6. Done. Okay. Still, I will do it fast. So class, in short, please tell me this chord, this AB and CD are coming in which triangles? Fast. They are coming in triangle AOB and COD. We tried that day to prove them congruent and we were not able to, because only thing we know is OA is equal to OB and OC is equal to OD, or you can say vice versa. But the third thing is not given. So we had to change. We had to change the triangle so that we can prove this thing. The concept was, if somehow we can prove the half equal, that is, if somehow we can prove EB equal to CF, the concept was, if somehow if we can prove this small portion EB is equal to small portion CF, we can say their twice is also equal, and we can say AB is equal to CD. Class, please confirm, do you want to solve this complete, or you all remember how to do that? Please confirm. Do you want me to solve it again? You remember it? Good. Others, please tell. Do you want me to solve this? Solve again, Ansh is saying. Okay. So, Ansh, now as I've changed my path, I've changed my destination for some time. What do you say? In which triangle EB is coming? In which triangle CF is coming? Please tell fast. Ansh, in which triangle EB is coming and in which triangle CF is coming? Please tell. In triangle AOB. Beta Ansh, I'm asking EB. E for England, B for Britishers. EB. Yes, it is triangle BEO and triangle CFO. So, in triangle BEO and triangle CFO. Sir, you are not audible. Okay. But some problem at your side, I guess. Others, please confirm. Am I audible? They are confirming. Everything is fine from my side. Okay. Now, in triangle BEO and CFO, class, please tell me what is the first thing? In triangle BEO and CFO, what is the first thing? Okay, you can say if this is angle 1, this is angle 2. First thing we can say is angle 1 equal to angle 2, both 90 degree. Third thing, sorry, second thing. Okay, Garima is saying EO equal to FO. Very good, Garima. It is given to us in the question that they are equal distance from center. So we can say EO is equal to FO given. And the third thing, Garima or others, Ananya is saying, very good, Ananya. Hypotenuse, that is OB equal to OC. That is our radius, because radius is always equal. So three things we have done. Now the problem is, Moksha, if you see, angle is coming, side is coming, side is coming, angle, side, side, in continuation, which is not a criteria. So we should see what kind of angle we are dealing with. We are dealing with a right angle, so we can say it is right angle, hypotenuse and side. So by RHS criteria, triangle BEO is congruent to triangle CFO. Class, please confirm. Have I written the correct name or it is wrong? Is this name correct or wrong? Please confirm. OB equal to OC, it is okay. And EO equal to FO, it is okay. So we have checked two properties and it is confirming, so it is correct. Now tell me, we wanted to prove AB equal to CD, which cannot be done in this step. So we can see this EB, first and second, is equal to CF, first and second. So BE is equal to CF by CPCT. And we all know their twice is also equal. My motive is to prove the complete one. Na? I can say their twice is also equal. Same thing. Then I can say it can be written as BE plus BE equal to CF plus CF. Ansh, everything fine till now? After this comes the main part. We can say this BE and AE are equal. So we can replace this BE with AE and this CF with, Ansh, please type, we can replace this CF with FD, fixed deposit. Now I remember that we have done it, because perpendicular from center to a chord bisects the chord. The property used here is perpendicular from center to a chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. This is the property that we have used, and with the help of this we can say complete AB is equal to complete CD, and with this we are done. Now let us start exercise 10.4 where we will be using these concepts only. So class, shall we start 10.4 now? Okay. I guess for last 2-3 days I am giving you the homework for 10.4 only. So today if I get time I will upload a solution video of this so that you people can confirm your answers with this. Okay. I will try to upload a video today or tomorrow for 10.4. Sir, you are still not audible. Shall I rejoin? Yes. Janya, most welcome. Do it now. Exercise 10.4. First question, as I've told you, I guess most of you have done this. Let's see. Two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. There are two circles of radii 5 and 3 na. So let me draw the first one as larger like this and second little bit smaller like this. So this is center, suppose P, center Q. So we have two circles of center P and center Q with radius how much? 5 and 3. Okay, let me join it like this. This is 5 what centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Now intersect at 2 points. If you see, the circles intersect at this point and this point. So class, tell me what is the common chord? Class, tell me what is the common chord for both the circles? It is AB. So this is the common chord. If you remember, this is similar question that we have done in exercise 10.3. It is similar question. Now what it is saying is the distance between center is given to you is 4 centimeter. This is given to you PQ. PQ is how much? It is 4 centimeter. Now find the length of common chord. We want to find the length of AB. So class, in starting, if you try to understand, you won't be able to see or visualize how you can find the length of AB. For that, you need to have idea of that question also. Class, to find this length of AB, we first need to prove the similar thing. What? That AB and PQ are perpendicular. Same thing that we have done that day. I'm again repeating, in this question, there are two circles which are intersecting at point A and B. We have to prove or we want to find the length of AB. The concept is we will try to find length of AE. The concept is we will try to find the length of AE and then we will twice it. But now the question comes, how we can say AE equal to EB? Question comes, how you can say that AE is equal to EB? For that, we have to do the work similar to the last question that we have done. We need to prove these triangles congruent. So our motive is to prove them congruent as well as perpendicular to each other. Now let's start the same procedure, class. First triangle, tell me which triangle you will take. Which triangle you will go for first? APQ. Yes, because the smaller triangle will not help you. If you take triangle AEQ and triangle BEQ first, you won't be able to get the three things. So in this question, we need to go to the first level, take some keys from there and then come to second level. The first level is triangle APQ. In triangle APQ and triangle BPQ, the first thing, class, what do we know? Please answer. What do we know first? Fast. Yes, PQ is common. Good. Second, Utkarsh saying 5 centimeter, that is AP equal to BP. Very good. So AP is equal to BP. Both are 5 centimeter and both are radius, or you can say both are 5 centimeter. so they are equal, obviously. Second is AQ is equal to BQ. They both are 3 centimeter of length. The third thing is very easy to see, PQ equal to PQ, which is common. So we have got three things and the criteria is triple S. Now the question comes, what key, which key from this, what you say, level will help us? Yes, it is angles. So triangle BAPQ is congruent to triangle BPQ. I guess the name is correct. APBP coming, AQBQ coming. It is correct. Now if you see, angle Q and angle Q are coming at the same position. So what if I call it angle 1? What if I call it angle 2? Can we say they are equal? Class, can we say they are equal? We can say by CP CT. So angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CP CT. This is done. Now we will go to the main triangles which we are actually fighting for. The main triangles are, class, the main triangles are, please answer, triangle AEQ and triangle BEQ. Yes, the main triangles are AEQ and BEQ because actually we wanted to prove this AE, this side is equal to this side. This was our actual concern. So finally you will say, in triangle AEQ and triangle BEQ, now we are ready to fight with it because we have the third thing with us. The first thing we have is, sir, can we directly apply Heron's formula in BPQ? Yes, you can apply. But after applying, how will you find this EB after that? You can apply, but how will you find BE? Or how will you say that BE is perpendicular? You have to prove that thing first. After that, you can apply Heron's formula. Okay. Let's see. I will show you how. First, okay. So first thing is AQ is equal to BQ. Second thing, they both are 3 centimeter. Second thing is, class, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Very good. We have proved above. PA, not personal assistant. It is proved above. The third thing is, okay, Garima is saying QE is equal to QE because they are common. And by which criteria they are congruent? By which criteria? Side, angle and side. So when we are roaming in the park, we found three things in continuation and those are SAS. So by side, angle, side, triangle AEQ is congruent to triangle BEQ. Let us confirm AQ, BQ. AQ is coming first and third, BQ is coming first and third, correct. QE, QE, second and third, and our name is exactly correct. Our name is fine. Now tell me, whatever we wanted to prove, can we prove now? Can we say this AE equal to BE? Class, can we say? Yes, we can say because AE is first and second, BE is first and second, so they are corresponding. By CPCT, we can say AE equal to BE by CPCT. And second thing, class, we also want to prove that they are on the perpendicular bisector. So we also want to prove this angle and this angle 90 degree. So let me call it angle 3. Let me call it angle 4. Can we prove this thing right now? Class, how will we prove 3 and 4 equal to? Arey Bhavya, aise mat bolo please. We can prove they are actually CPCT only. They will be equal and then they will be forming a linear pair. Can't we prove then? Bhavya, see now. We can say, as you can see, angle 3 is coming with E, angle 4 is coming with E, and E is coming at second position. So they are also CPCT equal. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT. As they are equal and forming linear pair, also angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree because linear pair. Till now, I have done nothing new. We are doing the same thing as we have done in exercise 10.3. I'm doing this just to revise this for you. Now we can say angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, which gives you twice angle 3 is equal to 180. And finally you can say, ki sir, angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. And with that, we are ready with all the required equipments. This is a 90 degree now. Now let me draw diagram again for you so that you can understand easily. This was the diagram. This was your center P of bigger circle. This was your center Q of smaller circle. This length was 5 centimeter. This length was 3 centimeter. This complete was 4 centimeter. And we have found this thing, that this is your A and this is your E. Class, till now, any issue? I have drawn the same diagram, just I have not drawn the circles to make you understand how I will proceed. Tell me first, till this point, any issue? We have done nothing new. Same to same, exercise 10.3, question number 3 we have done. Now the question starts for us. Now the question starts. Tell me, how will you find the length of AE? Now tell me class, fast, time is less. Tell me, sir, we have to prove AE perpendicular. But we have done already, Utkarsh. And yes, we have to prove it perpendicular. Utkarsh, we have to prove, because after proving perpendicular, it will be easy for us to use the formula half base into height. Okay. Now, class, we can apply or we can use the chapter Heron's formula. How? Heron's formula tells us the way to find area of this triangle using 3 sides. And we have one more way, that is half base into height. If we equate both of them, can't we find the length of height? Class, if we can find the area using Heron's formula and we can find the area using half base into height and we equate them, I think we can say that that will help us to find the height. Let's see. So let's see, area of triangle PAQ is given by S, that is semi perimeter, is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 5 plus 3 plus 4 upon 2. How much? 9 plus 3, 12. 6 centimeter is your semi perimeter. So area will be how much, class? Please tell me the formula. The formula was S minus A first side, S minus B second side, S minus C third side. Let me put the values. S is 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2. Till now, any issue in my speech or something, class? Please confirm. My voice is clear? Because I have changed the connection. I have got this Geo fiber now for high speed. Okay, so let's solve it. 6 is 2 into 3, 3 into 2. What will come out? 1 2 will come out, 1 3 will come out. Answer is yes, 150 Mbps. Okay, so answer is 6 centimeter. We have got the area of this triangle APQ. Now class, again we have one more way to find the area. What is the new way, class? Please answer. Also, area of triangle PAQ is given by half into base. What is the base of this triangle, class? Is it AQ? Is it PA or PQ? What is the base? The base is PQ. On whichever side perpendicular lies, that is your base. If perpendicular was lying on AQ, it was your base. If perpendicular was lying on PA, it was your base. In our case, it is lying on PQ. Therefore, PQ is the base. So half PQ into height. What is the height, class? Please confirm. It is AE. And now put the values. We already know the formula of, sorry, the solution of area. It is 6 is equal to half into PQ, which is 4, into AE, which is missing. So now you can solve this. One second. it is coming 2 into 3 6. Something is wrong. 2 3 is 6 centimeter square. It is square na? Yes. So 6 is equal to half into 4 into this thing. So A is coming how much? 6 upon 2, 3 centimeter. Is it correct, class? Height is 3 only. Okay, now if we have got AE, can we find the complete height now? Class, we wanted to find AB. We wanted to find AB. We have found A equal to 3 centimeter. That means AB is how much? AB is how much? Fast? Twice of that. So if AB is A is 3, therefore AB equal to twice AE, which is 6 centimeter. And with this we are done. Now you can switch on your videos.